In today's video, we're tackling a super common problem that can totally weigh down your cloud storage, the duplicate files and photos in OneDrive. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Microsoft account website. Go ahead and pop in your credentials to sign in securely. If you've ever forgotten your password, we've all been there. There's always an option to reset it, so no worries on that front. Once you're in, keep an eye out for the app launcher. That's the little grid-like icon, usually hanging out in the top left corner of your screen. Give it a click, and you'll see a whole world of apps within the Microsoft ecosystem. From this list, you'll want to pick OneDrive. It's pretty hard to miss with that distinctive cloud logo. Look for My Files in the side navigation panel. Click that, and you'll be taken straight to the main hub, where all your precious documents and memories are stored. To make spotting those duplicates a breeze, let's use the sorting option. You'll find it right at the top of your file list. You've got two choices here. You can sort by name or by file size. Sorting by name is awesome because it groups all your identically named files together, making those exact duplicates jump right out. But don't forget sorting by size. That can be super helpful for finding duplicates that might have different names but are the exact same file size. Both methods are effective, so pick the one that feels best for how you like to organize. Simply click the checkbox next to each duplicate file or photo you want to get rid of. Just a quick tip, always double check as you go. Sometimes files can look similar but aren't true duplicates, and we definitely don't want to delete anything important by mistake. Once you've carefully selected all those unnecessary duplicates, look for the delete option. It's usually represented by a familiar trash can icon. Give that a click, and you'll see a prompt asking for confirmation. Just make sure you're totally comfortable with your selections before you proceed, because once they're gone, getting them back might take a few extra steps. Regularly auditing your files for duplicates doesn't just keep things tidy, it honestly makes your life so much easier when you're trying to find specific files. Keeping your OneDrive organized really doesn't have to be a huge headache. With these simple steps, you can maintain a much cleaner and more efficient workspace. Thank you for watching this video.